So guys, on today's video, work on Escalade. Going to do some brake pads, just a little maintenance stuff. Brake pads, cut the rotors, change the air filter, look at the spark plugs, see if they're trying to replace them. The weather strip that's always falling down on the back door behind me, but on the passenger side. How that goes, but yeah, a little simple video. The brakes are squeaking, not good.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Alright, now that she's on the jack points, on the point, I'm going to jack her up. Oops, wrong one. Alright, let me check, make sure everything's good. There, we're good there, good there, good over there. Do a little rock. She should be good. Yeah, we're good. Replace them in. Get the rotors off and cut them. So. Alright, we'll get some parts, brake pads, filter, and the molding. Don't look back, don't look back. I look back. What's up? What you doing? Vacuum pump? Oh, you done already? Yeah, I'm already. Cool. Cup car. So those that have the 15, 16s and up on the vacuum pumps, these are the default ones, and then they redesigned them. A lot of issues. Get it. There we gotta go to 3005B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right over here. D. That's what we need. This on the door as keeps falling. I'll replace this in a bit. Get the filter. Alright, filter's down here. With the pads. Alright, here are the pads. Let's see what we got here. Some AC Delco. Retainers. And pads. The backs are not squeaking, so I'm not gonna have to do those, just the fronts. Alright, let's go get the wheels taken off and get this done. Alright, so I got my ratchet. Take the wheels off. I'm about to get the lock. Right, excuse me.
Yep.
Alright, now we got it. Got a T something. Size here. Use a T27. Perfect. Go ahead and get this side off. They were bad. Here. It's all done. Got the little screws off. I don't think it matters what side it is, but I know these are pretty bad. So go ahead and take these to the machine, get them cut. So Alright, so I got the rotors. You can see the hot spots skipping, and then this side is a little bit, and it's cutting the whole blunt. So I'm gonna give it another pass. Move this 2 degrees back on both sides. Give it another slow pass, and then my third pass will be 1 and 1, and then I'll do like a 3-speed pass just to make sure I get all the cuts. So let me fix this up real quick, but I think we'll just move it all the way back. All right, so it looks good now. All of it is good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pads. They're stuck on there pretty good. Good Lord. All right. Good Lord, this feature here was like seized right onto this thing. Had to like bring the crap out of it. Yeah, they're pretty low. All right, now we got the rotor cut, fresh, looking new. Perfect. Line up the bolt. There we go. Now we're gonna screw this thing down right here. It's over there getting cut. Doing the second pass, so I'll go. Oh shit, bracket fell. Doing the second pass, so I'll go back over there and do a first pass. I mean the third pass. And it'll be a lot slower. Put the caliper back on so make it easier to put the brake pads on, of course. Get the brake pads. All right, get the new retainers on here. Some new pads. All right, we got the other rotor done and cut. Now I gotta line this thing again. Put that screw on, tighten it up, finish this thing. Get out of here because it's almost time to go home. And you got a expensive ass truck and it's making a lot of noise. Okay, get these. Alright guys, so hey, look at this. Alright, so we're done. Rotors look good, everything's on. Go ahead and drop this B. Yeah, I like this GoPro headset thing, so that'll probably be cool on the when I go on the G8 or something and start driving. Maybe go fast on it, see how it goes. And put this plastic piece on. So here's the one that keeps falling, and it's already like tore up and rubbed on a tire, so it's all jacked up now. So take all this off. They do everything dirty. Pretty easy. There we go. Okay, so we got 3M tape all the way. That thing's pretty tight. Now shouldn't be a pain in the butt. Now I just got to. Oh, there you go. Mold it in. Ah, there you go. There we go. Perfect. Where's that order? Yeah, that thing's all flimsy and all broken. Trash. A lot cleaner. So I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna replace this filter and call it. Got the molding replaced over there. Got the brake pads, rotors. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and stay tuned. Peace.